Today, I will be talking about the Cintex Wireless free iPhone. This new phone claims to be completely free, and I will be taking a closer look at it to see if it's really too good to be true. So, how does the Cintex Wireless free iPhone work? You sign up for a 2-year contract with Cintex Wireless. In exchange for your contract, you get the phone for free. However, there are a few catches. First, you have to pay a monthly service fee of $50. Second, you have to sign up for a data plan. The data plan starts at $20 per month, and it goes up from there depending on how much data you need. Now, $50 a month for a phone isn't bad, especially if you consider that you're getting a brand new iPhone. However, the data plan can add up, especially if you use a lot of data. So, you have to weigh the pros and cons of the Cintex Wireless free iPhone before deciding if it's right for you. Overall, I think the Cintex Wireless free iPhone is a pretty good deal. You get a brand new iPhone for free and only have to pay a monthly service fee of $50. However, you do have to sign up for a data plan, which can add up if you use a lot of data. So, if you're looking for a new phone and don't use much data, the Cintex Wireless free iPhone is a great option. Thanks for watching.